Welcome to Business Coordinators. Today we are looking at the case Balfour versus Balfour. This is a case between a husband and a wife. The subject is that this is a leading English contract law case. It held that there is a reputable presumption against an intention to create a legally enforceable agreement when the agreement is domestic in nature. So, Mr. Balfour was a civil engineer and worked for the government as Director of Irrigation in Ceylon, which is now Sri Lanka. Mrs. Balfour was living with him. In 1915, they both came back to England. Mr. Balfour left, but Mrs. Balfour had developed arthritis. So ये केस है जिसमें हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में केस हुआ था. मिस्टर बैल्फर एक सिविल इंजीनियर थे जो सिविल इरिगेशन का काम करते थे सिलोन में, जिसको अब श्रीलंका बोला जाता है, और मिसेस बैल्फर उनके साथ रहती थी. 1915 में ये लोग वापस इंग्लैंड छुट्टियां मनाने के लिए आए थे, तो मिसेस बैल्फर को आर्थराइटिस हो गया था. Her doctor advised her to stay in England because a jungle climate would be detrimental to her health. तो मिसेस बैल्फर को बोला गया कि आप इंग्लैंड में ही रहिए, क्योंकि आप अगर जंगल में रहेंगी तो आपकी सेहत और ख़राब हो सकती है. As Mrs. Mr. Balfour's boat was about to set sail, he promised her a £30 a month until he came back from Ceylon. They drifted apart, and Mr. Balfour wrote saying that it was better to remain apart. In March 1918, Mrs. Balfour sued him to keep up with the monthly payment of £30. In July, she got a decree. In December, she obtained an order for the alimony. The first instance, Sergeant J held that Mr. Balfour was under an obligation to support his wife. The Court of Appeal unanimously held that there was no enforceable agreement, although the depth of the reasoning differed. The Duke LJ gave his opinion. He placed weight on the fact that the parties had not yet been divorced and that the promise had been made while they were still husband and wife. Lord Atkins said, the consideration may consist of either some right, interest, profit, or benefit occurring from the promisor and some forbiddance, determined loss, or responsibility given, suffered, or undertaken by promisee. The case is often cited in conjunction with Merritt versus Merritt 1970. Here the court distinguished the case from Balfour versus Balfour on the fact that Mrs. Merritt, although still married, was estranged at the time, and the agreement was made. Therefore, an agreement between them was made with the intention of creating legal relation. Both the cases are often quoted as an examples of principle of precedent. So they were very similar cases. ये मेरिट वर्सेस मेरिट और बैल्फोर वर्सेस बैल्फोर बहुत सिमिलर केसेस हैं, लेकिन एक में कहा गया था कि बैल्फोर वर्सेस बैल्फोर में ये डोमेस्टिक एग्रीमेंट है हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में, इसमें कोर्ट इंटरफियर नहीं करेगा, और मेरिट वर्सेस मेरिट में इंटरफियर किया था कोर्ट ने और जो भी सेटलमेंट था वो कराया था. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like the presentation. We will be uploading more videos in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.